playing Squid Game, but here's the rules. We have a challenge. If I lose, I have to eat the spiciest, weirdest thing I have on it. Like on my phone, I don't care what it is. I think I have some jalapenos in my village, my family makes it, so yeah, it's gonna hurt. So I must at least go to the red and green light, then I won't have to eat it. But if I lose further than there, I lose. And also, if I don't win, I have to collab with a random subscriber. Like, if you that subscribe to me, if I lose you, call me up. Even if I win, call me up. I'll pick one. And from now on, I'm gonna be naming the subscribers. So, yeah, you can come. So, guys, I'll meet you guys on in the first game. You guys, this game is taking so long. Look at this. How long does it take for a game to load? Beginning, guys. The beginning. This is gonna be stressful. Oh fuck, who's this? I'm not please don't do it. I don't like it. Because I've had the baby twice. No, but I didn't film any of those. He didn't ask making one of the videos. Guys, you can also, I have a new channel. Well, I have a new channel, so go please check it out. It's a soccer channel. Please subscribe, please like. And I have a video. Let's go to the channel. Go to the video. Comment whatever you green light. If you want to make it say W, I see if you're gonna make it say red light. Where are you gonna jump in? Green light. Let's go, cool. I made it alive. Guys, I think there's people who want to do my videos. Not just this person. You see that? 14 players got eliminated. Sometimes I think this is fake. But how can 14 people be eliminated in literally that like green light? That's the most easiest game. One of the most easiest games. Continue the game. Continue the game. I still have no health. Bro, why am I? Person wants to fight for real. Oh, I think he was your friend. You want to beat me? Nah, some smoke also. Like for me, I don't like to smoke with a lot of people. Like smoke. I'm not gonna find what's in it. Ooh, gosh. I love the night. Bro, I never thought about this, but these guards are kind of like hopeless. It could be literally. Bro, these guards are kind of messed up. They leave us to kill each other. They don't even care and continue like, well, two places that now. Let's continue now. Oh, now. I think we're going to. I would rather have. Please don't really think that I think about. No! But it's not that hard. I don't know what to play. Some games I don't know how to play. Actually, even challenge. I think I'm a step closer to the Number three. Oh, Rory already. Wait for the guy person to join. Oh, look how am I standing? I look like Aura. Bro, I don't know why that guy's our number. Those are our number five. Bro, if I did something, bro, I'm a stalker for real. Yes. Oh, it's my turn. I'm on. I need to get to you. Come on, go. If I use because of myself, bro, please, please. Yeah, I think I did. I know how to play this game. Yes, rough. First time I ever did it on my own, man. Comment down W, Max. Comment down and subscribe because of that. Well, I think I'm gonna lose because that's the first goal left. I see what I see. Bro, like I believe in you. I always believe in you guys, you know. You did it with me and Baby celebrating with my brother, but I was yeah. I'm gonna celebrate it. Even if I die and regret like doing that, I'll be happy because I want us to be done. Take your time. You have 1 minute. Take it. Oh, thank you, bro. No, she's serious again. Bro. You can't tell me that. She's gonna. Nah. Oh, your future cooked. Your future cooked. I just want to win for all of us. Guys, like, adios, guys. I always believe in you guys, but like, it was my dream to win Squid Game for the third time, you know what? Because of this girl I won, man. I won. Wow. ain't finished. So we're cooked, guys. No, guys, I never created this world ever. Well, I just talked the words. Oh, how much time is he gonna play? Guys, I want to do this. Guys, I'll post the short.